My name is Ajay Maker, and I'm currently the Chief of Surgical Oncology at UCSF. 10 years ago, I had the privilege of being the inaugural recipient of the SSO ESSO Traveling Fellowship to Europe. The incredible opportunity came at a pivotal time in my career, and it proved to be one of the most influential experiences in my clinical and research development. During the fellowship, I visited leading surgical oncology and HPB units in Naples, Verona, Heidelberg, Zurich, and Edinburgh, culminating in the ESSO meeting in Vienna. These visits provided not only invaluable surgical insights and techniques that I continue to use today, but also fostered research collaborations that have resulted in a decade of impactful publications.